trying to search. You're trying to say, so where was it? Where did it go? Where was it? It's gone. I'm trying to find it and.
Let me know when you find it. I'm here.
Yeah, I got you. That's supreme confidence in your abilities there. And I said, let me know when you find it.
So this is not your first experience?
No, it's not.
Well, probably I'll tell them to edit and put the clip from last time.
It still doesn't make me less nervous there. I swear, this morning I was thinking, what if now my neck don't go break? You know, because
What if the first one?
it could be the first one. I was like, nah. That's not my portion. Amen. Amen. It's definitely not my portion.
Now we'll sit. So one thing I noticed when I came to the reception is what?
I slouched. My sitting position was awful.
I don't have a backrest, so I couldn't even come to this side. So
It was awful.
You were just like,
Yeah.
I came out and I said, why wouldn't you have came back?
It was. I was hoping. I didn't know you were coming. But I just did. I was hoping you would catch me like that. But it happens.
It's a work in progress. Yeah. But you working on it.
I am. You know, I genuinely consciously try to sit upright and all these things, but I don't know, man. You know, habit is so hard to break for humans, man. It's so hard.
Unless if I tell you it causes cancer. No.
I know, our package. When the pain increased in the last couple of weeks, trust me, this is how I've been using my phone. Prior to that,
Just like
it was like this. But the pain just kept. So I'm like, you know what? I think I need to reset back.
This is Happy New Year because it was last year that I saw you.
Yeah, it was. What was that last year?
Remember your legs here? Yeah, your arms up. So it's mostly the neck you're feeling pain?
Yeah.
Which area?
From there to basically where you just scanned.
This whole area. Does it come down your arms?
No.
Okay, just here basically.
Yeah.
Does it cause headache as well?
No, actually, no. Just this radiation type
In
of
that same pattern.
Yeah, it's just like, it's just, I don't know. It's mad. And massages don't solve it.
Let's get this show on the road. You still nervous?
I don't think anyone's ever not gonna be nervous. You know, because that's your neck. But I know I'm in great hands, so it's all good.
They didn't hear you say it again.
I know I'm in great hands, so it's all good.
I want to eat that. We'll go to this table. Still up, down. Yes. Coming in right. Yeah, relax.
Jeez.
I understand. Use your nose to breathe.
I'm still alive.
we didn't hear anything for a second. So even me, I'm looking down like, come on, give me a sign.
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, come to the scene.
Alright.
Take your time.
Just sleep with it. You don't let people know when you're gonna go in. Now you move this up.
Once I feel the muscles are relaxed.
Yeah, you just go.
Unless if the person is like, no, tell me.
Okay. Nah, I'd rather not know.
If someone is like, no, tell me, then of course I'll tell them. She's the one that scared you.
I got you though. Damn. Yeah, you're cold. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
And then down. Okay. Come all the way down so your legs will touch the ground. This is the white strap.
What is this one?
We'll have to decompress this one.
Okay.
I'll tell you what I'll do before I move, okay?
Okay.
Bring your head up. And down. I'm going to stretch and then make a quick adjustment. He said,
We're good. We're good.
bring your hand to your chest.
Ooh. That one was intense still.
Let it sink in.
You know, this miraculous type of I don't know, like and then you're trying to search. You're trying to say, so where was it? Where did it go? Where was it? It's gone.
When I did the adjustment, it was intense, and then it starts to.
Yeah, and then it just starts to, because I could still feel that impact, but
That
the
pain-
pain that was there, I'm trying to find it, and
Let me know when you find it. I'm here.
yeah,
I got you.
that's supreme confidence in your abilities there. And I said, let me know when you find it. He knows I'm not gonna find it. Oh man, if it wasn't, I would do this every week if I could afford it.
I will afford it. I should move to Dubai or US and then have you fly there.
I mean, I know. Boy, that is so good. Trust me, there's no massage that can do this. It's impossible.
Leave masseuse people
No. You know why I keep saying this? Because I spend a lot of money on I go to massage max every 2 weeks.
Okay.
And it's not cheap.
And for this particular.
I try to see if they can at least read it, and it doesn't work. Leg, because I play football, all that stuff, they do that, that's cool. But this one here, you need this guy. That's it's just reality. Spine, neck, all that stuff. You just have to get a chiro, man. I feel good. I'm even happy already. Like,
So you can rest. You rest for about 15 minutes. Right?
thank you.